If Microsoft Word has been feeling slow every time you open it, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to make Microsoft Word load faster by checking one of the most common causes of slowdown, add-ins. This is a quick fix that can make a big difference, especially if Word takes too long to launch or feels sluggish when you start typing. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips, software tutorials, and productivity fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look to the top left corner and click on File. This opens the main menu where you can access Word settings and configuration options. From the File menu, click Options. This will open the Word Options window, which is where you can control different features that affect performance, appearance, and behavior. Now, in the left sidebar, select Add-ins. Add-ins are extra tools or extensions that can run inside Word, and while some of them are useful, too many add-ins can sometimes slow the program down during startup. At the bottom of the add-ins page, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Manage. Click that menu and choose COM add-ins, then click Go. This opens the list of installed COM add-ins currently available in Word. Once the COM add-ins window appears, take a look at the items listed there. If you see add-ins that you don't need, or add-ins that you suspect may be causing Word to take longer to load, you can uncheck them to disable them. In many cases, reducing the number of active add-ins can improve startup speed and make Word feel much faster. After you've made your changes, click O to apply them, then close Microsoft Word completely and open it again to test the difference. If the issue was being caused by add-ins, you should notice Word launching more quickly and responding a bit better. If Word is still slow after this, it may be worth reviewing other add-ins later, but this first step is one of the easiest and most effective places to start. It only takes a minute, and it can help remove unnecessary background loading every time Word starts. So to recap, open Word, go to File, click Options, select Add-ins, choose COM add-ins at the bottom, and click Go to review what's loading behind the scenes. From there, disable anything you don't need and restart Word to check the improvement. If this video helped you speed up Microsoft Word, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.